Hi guys, this is Paul, ExtraHyperActive, and this video is for those of you who've entered our online email marketing course. It's been a few days since you've done it, but you haven't taken any actions. My main advice to you is don't overthink it. Don't make things more complicated than they are. I've put in a lot of time and effort to make it as easy as possible for you to get started with our brand, and most important, to start making money as soon as possible. Remember, my personal promise to you was to help you start making money with our brand in your first month, but only if you're willing to learn and, most important, to take actions. Getting started with our brand is as simple as buying one of our products, a t-shirt or a hoodie, taking your first picture, sharing it on your social media channels, Instagram and Facebook, and getting paid. As simple as that. And if you can't follow these simple actionable steps, my advice to you, don't bother continuing with our brand, and next time you receive an email from me, just hit that unsubscribe button and go on with your life, because there's absolutely nothing I can help you with. After watching this video, if you are still on the fence, if you're still not sure if you want to be our brand ambassador or not, my advice to you, trust your guts. If it doesn't feel right, just don't do it. But if you're anything like me, if you share your passion for helping others live a happy, healthy, and adventurous lifestyle, if you want to learn how to turn your passion for fitness and travel into a profitable business, or at least a side hustle, if you feel comfortable with sales and marketing, then I would love to have you as our brand ambassador. Thanks for watching this video, and you have a great day.